visitors. The vessel that you are seeing arrive in the Duluth Ship Canal is the Lee A Tregurtha. The Lee A Tregurtha was built as the USS Chiwawa in 1942 by the Bethlehem Shipbuilding and Dry Dock Company at Sparrows Point, Maryland. She measures 826 feet in length, 75 feet in width, and 39 feet in depth. She is powered by two 4,000 horsepower 6-cylinder Rolls-Royce Bergen diesel engines, which give her a top speed of 15 knots or about 17 miles per hour. She is also equipped with bow and stern thrusters to aid maneuverability in port. The Lee A Tregurtha has 24 hatches on her deck, which open into 5 cargo holds located below deck. Each hatch covering measures 48 feet by 11 feet. She has a maximum carrying capacity of 29,300 tons. Above her deck is a 250-foot self-unloading boom, which allows her to unload her own cargo without the aid of shoreside equipment. The Lee A Tregurtha is currently owned and operated by the Interlake Steamship Company of Middleburg Heights, Ohio. The Lee A Tregurtha is named in honor of Mrs. Dorothy Lee Anderson Tregurtha, wife of Interlake steamship owner Mr. Paul R. Tregurtha. The Tregurtha saw service during World War II as a U.S. Navy fleet tanker in several convoys. She sailed in the Atlantic and Pacific, earning 2 battle stars and the Navy Occupation Service Medal Asia, which are proudly displayed on the side of her pilot house. And a master salute for us here this morning from the Lee A Tregurtha with the Duluth aerial lift bridge there, some communication between the two. The battle stars of Navy Occupation Service Medal Asia, which were earned for action in the Atlantic and Pacific, are proudly displayed on the side of her pilot house. She earned one of those battle stars in March of 1943 when her convoy was attacked by 17 German U-boats in the Atlantic. After the war, the Lee A Tregurtha was later acquired by the Cleveland Cliffs Steamship Company to be lengthened and converted for Great Lakes service by the American Shipbuilding Company in 1961. She received a new midsection and had her original superstructure and pilot house moved forward. She served as the Cleveland Cliffs flagship until she was bought by the Rouge Steel Company in 1984. She was bought by her current owner, Interlake Steamship, in 1989. The Lee A Tregurtha was converted to a self-unloader in 1978, and her engines were upgraded from steam to diesel in 2006. The historic Interlake Steamship Company was founded in 1913 by the massive mining and steel producing Pickens, Mather and Company, which began operating ships in 1883. The fleet was sold into private hands in 1987 and currently operates 9 ships and 1 integrated tug barge unit on the Great Lakes. Once again, folks, we are seeing the Lee A Tregurtha, built in 1942, arriving through the Duluth Ship Canal. If you happen to have seen anybody on deck, make sure to give them a warm welcome to the Twin Ports here.